Let's talk about a few of the myths surrounding digital or having a digital press. Number 3, you need specialized space for the press and a large footprint. With a Domino press, you don't need a clean room, you don't need a lot of special air filtration, you don't need a lot of special concrete buildup floor placement, and what you really don't need is a lot of length. You've got arguably the most compact press on the market, so it's gonna get a whole lot done in a very small footprint. So as far as single pass aqueous based, and there aren't any players who have a machine like this press available. So this digital myth is busted.